Okay. I think you got a verification mail to your email address. Just try to check that
And
and try to click on that link to activate your account.
yes. Yeah, very different.
Then again try to log in. Go back to the previous tab.
This one, huh?
The first one. You click on download, right?
Yeah.
Tab. Not that. Here.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about this.
Oh,
You came to download, right? Go
yes,
back.
sir. Okay.
This is what. Again, try to click on download right now. Again, try to select Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Then try to click on login. Now put your email address and password.
Sorry.
Put your email address and login ID and password. And click on login. Then it will take you into the
Authentication.
Yes. So active subscription required. Maybe your activation, your subscription is not active right now.
Okay.
So just scroll little down. I will tell you why it is not active. Or else go little up. Uh, on the right corner, on the top, totally move on to the top.
So now,
Yeah, there is a round circle, right?
yeah.
Click there and click on account details. Wait. Sometimes if we don't provide proper information, it doesn't allow you to download.
So it's happening same with Vishnu and others.
Yeah, architecture. Sometimes it asks you for the company name, personal. Go to the personal.
These are person.
Okay, password, login, postal address. Okay,
Three also.
not required. Okay,
That's it, no? Sure.
that's it. That's it. Save it. And
Maybe I'll log out and log in once again.
just log in. Go to the downloads on the top. On the top, you have a downloads. Here, left side.
Okay.
Then click on Red Hat.
This one, right next one.
Yeah, any first one you can download right now. Now still it is not activated. You need to wait for some time
Okay.
because Red Hat will take some time to get it activated. So for
So for
now,
others,
till
yeah, for
now,
others also same thing, or they're getting it?
Arun Raj and Sai,
Yes, Balachandran. For me also getting same active
same error.
subscription.
Okay. Now let us install this VMware workstation.
Downloaded, but we can open that application.
Yeah, open.
Yeah, VMware workstation we will install.
Okay.
Let us install VMware workstation software. Double click on it.
It's taking some time.
Yeah, it takes some time. Just say yes. Now good. The installation process is going on because Red Hat Enterprise Linux software is a huge software, right? It will be
Yeah.
around like 8 to 9 GB. Okay, so it takes time to download.
Now everything you can give next only, right?
Did not get you, pardon?
Yeah, next we need to click on next one.
Wait, just come there at the bottom. You see there is a security. Just you need to confirm there, yes. You need to confirm there, yes.
To be
Another
downloaded.
instance is running, okay. Just click on OK. And at the bottom, you can see the installer has enabled. Just open that installer. Wait. May I know how much RAM you have? 8 GB or 16 GB?
16.
16, okay. Hmm. What did you say?
Restart.
The installer require your restart your system and finish the Microsoft VC distributed and then rerun the program. So you need to click to restart. You need to restart your PC, Vijay. Please restart and again join in the meeting
Okay.
and
So,
then install it. And what about others? Sai
Install in the backend.
installing. Just click on next, next, next. And if it asks you to join any community and get updates, just remove, uncheck that and just say okay.
Okay.
Right?
Hello, now I'm getting like this, no? VMware screen visible, no?
I have
Give
given the
license.
license on the chat, right?
Uh,
Just put that license MC60. Don't put pro.
pros. Okay.
Just put this information. So just keep this license
Mm.
here, then click on enter, enter, then yeah, finish. Right, good. Now the VMware has installed. Just minimize the browser. On your desktop, you will see the VMware icon.
Is there no VMware
Yeah,
installed?
just double click on the VMware icon. Yes, Sudhakaran, we are just creating virtual machine. We just downloaded the softwares. Okay. And it is asking for
Okay,
what?
Bala.
Software update. If you want, you can update it. Skip this version or remember later.
Skip this version.
Remember later. Don't do that.
Okay. Okay.
Remember
Okay.
later. Right?
Okay.
I'll do one thing. Just open my this folders. Go to this PC. I will tell you.
Okay.
See, everyone, when you open the VMware workstation, when you put the license, you have to do one thing. Go to this PC. I mean, go to the folder at the bottom. See, that's what, not here.
Hmm.
On your, what is the notice bar? There, you click there and go to this PC. Scroll
Okay.
down this PC.
Okay.
Good. Now go to the D drive. Just right click there at the bottom. You right click there, create one folder. Please, everyone, you need to do this. Create one folder with a name it as VMware. Name it as VMware. And get into the VMware. Go to the VMware, get inside, and again create one folder and just say server A. Create one more folder and name it as server A. All small letters, don't give any space. You can give capital letters also, but we should not make it complicated.
Okay, server.
So just minimize this screen. Go to the VMware, maximize it, maximize the screen.
Okay.
And now we are creating a virtual machine, right? So click on create a new machine.
Okay.
And select the custom option, custom advanced.
Okay.
Then click on next. Then see, this is the maximum configuration that is supported by VMware Workstation 17.5, right? And remember, right now you are using VMware Workstation for Windows, it is called Workstation. If you are using VMware for the Workstation for the Mac, it is called Fusion, right? So right now we are using VMware Workstation, just go with the next. Then it is asking guest operating system installation because still we did not download the softwares, right? Did we download the softwares? No. So that is the reason what you need to do is very simple. Select the last option that is called I will install operating system later.
Okay.
Then try to click on next. Then try to select the Linux on the top and come to the version and select Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Just scroll up, scroll up. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 you need to select. It will support 10 also. Can you see? Here it is. There only 8, 9.
Okay.
Yeah.
9.
So once you select the 9 and just click on next. Then once you click on next, now do one thing. We have created one folder, right? Browse that. Go to this PC, D drive. Inside the D drive, you select VMware. Okay, inside the VMware, select server A and just make it okay. Just make it okay, right? So when you just make it okay here, now good. Now on the top of a virtual machine name also you make it server A. Make it server A.
Okay.
Right? Then click on something called next. So once you click on next, now the number of processes 2 and 1. Okay, let's take it. Not a problem. Go with it. Right? Then the 2 GB RAM is sufficient. Then click on next. In future, you want, you can reduce, you can increase. Right?
Okay.
Right now we are giving 2 GB. Then go with the NAT. Go with the NAT. Always we need to go with the NAT. Yeah, we have already selected with the NAND.
Mm.
And go with LSI logic recommended. Select the IO
Okay.
controller.
This one.
Next. Yeah. Then it is asking select a disk type. What type of disk? It is going with NV memory.
Mm.
Okay. So you can go
Okay.
with NV memory, not a problem.
Mm.
Just click on next. Then create a new virtual disk. Click on next. Okay. Then it is asking me the size 20 GB. Take it 20 GB. Okay. And select the second option. Store virtual disk as a
Single.
single file. Then click on next. Then now browse. Click on browse. Browse the D drive. Inside the D drive, you kept it right. VMware Server A. Right.
Okay.
Now click on save. So you're going to store your virtual machine disk in a D drive, right?
Yes,
Then
correct.
click on something called next. Then click on something called finish. Now this is how your virtual machine has got created. Okay. Now
Okay.
what you need, you need an operating system. Try to go to the redhat.com and try to check whether you got access to it. Just try to refresh. Till you did not get the subscription, I think. Go to the developer.redhat.com. Okay, you can go with anything. Download the first one. So Red Hat subscription required to download software if you recently created. Okay, recently activated subscription.
So 5 minutes it will take.
5 minutes,
This.
but already 5 minutes over, right?
Over.
Yeah. What about Vijay? I mean, is your account got activated?
I'm just checking.
You can please check. What about Arun Raj?
Yeah, I'm also checking. It's showing the same message.
Same message you're getting. Hmm. See, previously, Red Hat used to approve instantly. From last 2 years onwards, they are not approving instantly. They are trying to put it in a hold for 5 to 10 minutes. There will be some automated system which reviews your account details, information, and then it will try to activate it. Mhm. Okay. Click on okay, let me show you how to install operating system. Right now, you know how to install VMware, right? Okay, and you know how to create a virtual machine also. Now,
Yes.
shall I show you how to install operating system on my machine?
No, okay, sure.
Yeah, just wait. Let's see whether it has got activated. No. So
No.
stop sharing. I will take the control and I will try to show you the installation process.
Okay.
Right? So let me first share the screen. So I have shared the screen here. The first thing I'll go into my machine here, right? So I am having a machine with a name called server B here. And okay, let's do one thing. I will try to delete this and I'm going to create a virtual machine in front of you, right? So before I create, what I'll do is I'll go to my E drive. I'll go to the VMware. So I have this folder, but I'm deleting all the content from here, right? This is my existing machine. I'm having server B is a folder. Can you see this? So I have created it. Now what I want to do, I want to create a virtual machine. Just observe. I'm going to click on create a new virtual machine. I'll go with custom. Click on next. Then you can see this is the configuration here. So whenever you are working with Windows and Linux, it is called workstation. Whenever you are working with something called what we say Mac, it is called Fusion. And this is the limitation of your virtual machine. You can have this much resources on your virtual machine to the virtual machine. Then click on next right now. Then in case if you have operating system ready, go with the second option. If the operating system is not ready, select the last option. I will install operating system later. Then click on something called next. Then we will select Linux and go with Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Because whatever the VMware workstation version we are using, that will support up to 9 only right now. But you might have a question, sir. Right now we are going to install 10 on this, right? Will it support? 100% it will support. There is nothing to worry, right? Then click on next here. Then it is asking the location. By default, it will go to the C drive, and don't go with the C drive here. Just click on browse, go to this PC, and wherever you have created a directory, select that particular directory. Can you see this? And I'm going to name this particular server as server B, right? And click on something called next. It is asking the processor configuration. I'll go with this, and I'll go with 2 GB RAM. Right now you can give it 2 GB. Later on you can increase and decrease. It's up to you. Even processor also I'm giving it 2 1. But if you don't want to give, you can give 111 also. It's up to you, right? So this is what very important. Then I'll go with network type is NAT. I will go with NAT. NAT stands for Network Address Translation. So I'll try to click on something called next. Then it is asking you select the IO controller type. So when it comes to the IO controller type here, so go with something called whatever it is recommended. Then I'm going with something called recommended NB memory, no problem. Then click on next and create a new virtual disk. Okay. Then I'm selecting 20 GB. By default, it is giving 20 GB. I'm selecting 20 GB. And I'll go with something called store virtual disk as a single file. Click on next. Then try to browse and put your virtual machine disk in wherever you have created a directory. If you don't browse it, it will create in the My Documents. Okay. So this is what. Then click on next and click on finish. So once the virtual machine creation process is done, now what is our next process? The next process is to install Linux operating system. Are you getting it? Install Linux operating system. Are you getting it? So this is basically how you are going to go with, right? So in order to install Linux operating system, what we need to do, very simple here. Right? So this is what exactly how you're going to get it. Is it clear, right? Right. Now what you need to do, I have already downloaded the software, right? Now you need to click on edit virtual machine settings. Remember, select CD DVD SATA and use ISO file image. Then click on browse. When you click on browse, I'm having my operating system image somewhere in a D drive. I'll go to the ISO image, right? And I will try to select Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10. Do you able to find? I have to go with RHEL new, and this is what I am trying to select. Do you want to know the size of this particular image? The size of this image is 10.2 GB. Can you see this? The size of this image is 10.2 GB. Okay, so I'm selecting this image here. Just observe. For in case when it comes to you, maybe when you download this image, it might be in my downloads, right? You have to select from there. Remember, right? And what I'll do is, and you should remember one more thing, you need to download disk image file only. That is called ISO file only you need to download. Getting it? So I'll just try to open. Do you see this ISO image has been mapped here? Then when it is
Yes.
mapped here, then click on OK and try to power on the virtual machine. So whenever you power on the virtual machine here, now the installation process is initiated like this. Can you see this? It is asking you three options. Install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2, test the media, and install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2, install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2 in FIPS mode. So just I will recommend you right now go with the first option. You have to go with first option. Okay, and remember one thing. If you want to access VMware machine, right? Can you see my cursor? Right click here. When you right click in the middle of the screen, the cursor goes into the virtual machine so that you can use, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, all these things you can use tab, you can use your keyboard there. Getting it? If you want to release your cursor from this particular virtual machine, press Control Alt. Press Control Alt. Are you getting it? So you might have a question where I can find all these options. You can find all these options somewhere here. Can you see this? You can find all these options somewhere here. Are you observing? Control Alt to release the cursor, Control G to insert the cursor. All these options you are going to get it. Getting it? This is what. So right now what I'll do is I'll try to initiate the installation with the first option. Just observe. Right, press and enter here. So whenever you press and enter, the installation process will be initiated. So as the installation process is initiated, just observe, and you should be little patiently. You should sit patiently. Okay. This is what exactly. So see here, now it has come to the installation, right? So welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2. So what you need to do here, first of all, you need to select something called language and you need to select the keyboard type, right? Getting it. This is what, based on the reason you need to select this, remember, then click on something called continue. And when you click on the continue, sometimes you need to click on the continue tab twice. So when you click on a continue, it will come to what? It will come to something called installation summary. So as it comes to the installation summary here, very simple. There are four sections here. One is localization. The second one is software. Third one is system. Fourth one is user settings. First, we will work with localization. Second, we will work with customizing software. Third, we will try to customize the system. And fourth, we will use user settings. This is what exactly. So when it comes to localization, so I hope all these settings are proper. In case, why? Because already we set this keyboard and language support, but the date and time is automatically taken from the BIOS. Getting it? From your Windows, it will take it. Then second thing is we are going to go with the software. So whenever you're getting into the software here, first thing is you need to click on what? This. And okay, before you go to this, you need to click on first this. Right? So you need to click on installation source. So when it comes to installation source, basically we are trying to install operating system from my DVD using ISO image. So it is auto detected it, so there is nothing to change. In case if you are trying to install from on the network, then you need to put all these details here, right? So this is what exactly, and I'm going to click on done. First, come to the software selection. When it comes to the software selection, by default it has selected what? Server with GUI. So what I recommend is go with the server with GUI. Getting it? So then what I'll do is I'll try to click on done here. Then
I
I'll
think
try
mine
to,
got
yes, please.
I think mine got activated.
Yeah, it's activated. Please start downloading it. All right. So server with GUI, then click on something, go to the system, installation destination. You need to select the disk where you're going to install it. Can you see this disk? Can you see this disk? Right, select the disk. And right now we are going with something called auto configuration. Right. So do one thing, go with the default option, click on done. So whenever you click on done, automatically it will create the logical volumes and partitions for you. Okay, then next you need to click on network and host because you need to configure your machine in the network, right? And remember, network is automatically configured. You got an IP address. This is your gateway and this is your DNS. But we need to configure what? Host name. So what I'm going to do, host name, I'm going to put server v dot example.com like this. I'm trying to put it, right? And everything should be lowercase. Don't use higher case at all. Okay, it will take, but it is always recommended to go with lowercase for easier communication, right? Then set the host name and put something called apply. So when you just put the apply, the things has been configured. Then I'm going to click on done on the left corner here, right? So when I just click on something called done here, then you come to the user settings. You have a root account, you have a user creation. Click on root account here and it is asking disable. Already the root account is disabled here. If you want, you can enable it, but I will not allow you to enable the root account. You just go with the default disable root account only, right? Then click on something called user creation. Do one thing with your name, create one user account, right? And put the password as Red Hat, the password as Red Hat, right? And it is asking add the administrator privilege to this user account. No, I don't want. Require a password to use this account. Yes, just click on done. So when you click on done, but see the installation, it is not allowing you to begin this installation until you will not configure the root, right? So enable root access and put the password as Red Hat, put the password as Red Hat and allow root SSH login with password. I am not selecting this, don't select this, remember? Then click on done. Click on done twice. Now see, once you did a password has been configured, then the begin installation has been enabled, right? Now click on something called begin installation. So when you just say begin installation, the installation process has been initiated. So basically it will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes of time to install this operating system. And this timeline might vary based on the configurations that you have. Is it clear? Okay. So this is the way how you are going to install the operating system. This is the way how you are going to install the operating system. Is it clear?
Yeah. Well, can you ping that license key? Yeah.
Did not get your pardon?
That VMware license key, can you ping once?
Yeah, yeah. If you want, I will pay you.
No, because it is asking.
It is in the chat, right? Okay, you will disconnect it.
Logged out. No?
Yeah, I got it. I have shared again.
Okay.
So do you want to share the screen?
Yeah, one second. Yeah.
1 minute. I hope now you can share the screen.
Yeah.
What about Arun Raj and Sai?
No, still getting that subscription required.
Okay.
So now this is approved, no? Because I'm not.
Not
For
like
me
that.
also showing the same
Just
message.
click on download on the top. Product. Just maximize the browser line.
Okay.
First activate the key. First activate the key. VMware. Just use MC60H. This is what you need to use. You can copy and paste.
Some word is not aligned.
I think Sudhakaran and Vishnu, what about you? Did you try to download it? I mean, parallelly you're doing it? Or you have already a setup?
No, Bala. I'm still traveling from office to back home.
Okay, fine.
I have to
Yeah,
look back the videos and install it.
Fine, no problem.
Balachandar, I still have the machine which I mean, last time I configured for Ansible. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the same.
Okay, fine then. Right done.
Yeah.
Okay. Click on enter. Finish. Then right now let us download the Linux software. Click on products, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, and the download. I think it will download the document. I think if we just click on OK, wait. Just scroll down. Now see here, you have Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2 boot ISO is there. Don't download boot ISO. Scroll little down. You see there is something called Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2 binary DVD, right?
Yeah.
Click on show details. So can you see this 10.3? 10.3 GB. You need to download this. So many times what happens, people will download on the top one. That will be a small image, maybe 1 to 2 GB. You need to download Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.2 binary DVD, which is 10.3 GB.
Yeah, it's 99.
It is less than 1 GB, I think.
Yes.
If you want, you can download that also. It's up to you.
Actually,
And
download
remember,
this.
because already you have access, right? First download 10.2, later you can download 9.8 also, even 8.10 also you can download. Now click on download. Yes, now it is download has been initiated.
Okay, you're asking something. Are you new? No, right?
Now you just say yes. Are you new RHL customer? Yes, you just say something.
Close, no?
Close it. Then scroll it down. I will tell you something. Just scroll it down. If you want any other softwares also, you can download from here. But in case if you need it, all right? So this is what exactly. So,
This
so
VMware is already downloaded, no?
VMware downloaded. Try to go to the D drive. Just open this PC folder.
This one, no? Okay. So should they create, huh?
No, don't create first. We need to create, remind later. Remind me later. Then go to the folders. Go to this PC
See,
and just go to the C drive. Create one
yeah,
folder with a
created.
name called VMware Server A. It is there, right? Already
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Then
I
go to
found.
the VMware workstation. Create a virtual machine. Create a new virtual machine. Then select the second option, that is custom and advanced. Then click on something called next. Then click on next. No, not required. Then select the last option. Of course, right now you have, but still we will browse it later. I will install operating system later. Then select Linux, Red Hat Enter. Go to the version. Go to the version. Select Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Scroll it little up. Here it is.
64, huh?
Yes, select that Red Hat Enterprise Linux 964-bit. Then click on something called next. Then browse the directory which you have created. Go to this PC, D drive, C drive, VMware server A. Right.
Okay.
Then just name the virtual machine as server A. Just say OK.
Next
No,
one.
name the server. Virtual machine name as server A. Top. That is what?
That's it, no?
No. Top one. Virtual machine name. Above.
Okay, huh? Server.
Give everything lowercase. Just click on next. Then this is the number of processes it is taking. You can either go with the whatever it has recommended, or you can change it also later. Or now also you can change. Click on next. It will ask you for 2 GB RAM. Just give it. Just click on next. Then go with the network type will be NAT. Network address translation. Go with next. Then go with LSA logic recommended. Then here also go with recommended disk type NV memory. Just click on next. Then create a new virtual disk. Click on next. Then select the second option, store virtual disk as a single file. When we are going with 20 GB, that is sufficient to us. Then click on next. Now click on browse. Browse the C drive, VMware, and server A. That means whatever the virtual disk it is creating, that is going to store here. Then click on next, finish. The virtual machine successfully created. Right? Now you need to, you need to wait till the Linux operating system gets downloaded. Then later on, whatever the steps I have followed, just try to look into the recording and try to install the operating system. Right?
Yep.
Definitely it will take time.
Yeah,
Okay.
45 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah, it will take because 10 GB data, right?
Yeah.
So it is not that easy. So this is what exactly. Any other questions? Arun Raj, what about you?
Yeah, I'm still facing the same issue.
Acha. So don't worry, you will get approval. Okay.
Yeah.
So once you get an approval, please download the software. And in case if you are facing any difficulty, ping me on WhatsApp. I'll try to help you out.
This also it is not
Yeah.
required, no?
Not required already VMware, you have it right.
Yeah.
In case if VMware asks you to update, don't update right now because maybe if it upgrades to the new version, then we don't have a license for the new version. Okay, right now, whatever the license I have shared you, that is only for VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Getting it? So be careful when you are upgrading the VMware, right? So this is what exactly. So you can power on the virtual machine also, and you can see it works as same as your physical machine. Getting it? Okay.
Yeah.
And I will also show you how to access your machine by connecting remotely everything tomorrow. Right? So by tomorrow, try to install the operating system and keep it with you. Right? So this is what exactly today's session. And I just want to share my screen to show you the installation process is going to get completed. Can you see this? So this is what exactly they are generating init RAM FS. So see, right now it is asking me the installation is completed. It is asking me to reboot the system. So you need to click on reboot the system right now. Then immediately my system will get rebooted. System means your virtual machine gets rebooted and you will get a login prompt. Just observe. Now just try to click on the student. I'm going to click on the student here and I'm trying to log in. Okay. This is what called local login. This is something called local login. And remember, we have installed operating system in GUI. That is called graphic user interface. Is it clear? So it will take few seconds to get loaded everything. See, this is what exactly. So I'm going to skip the tour here. This is what exactly you're going to get it. right? So at the bottom, you see there is a black box. You should click on this. This is something called terminal. So as you open the terminal, remember, 1 minute. Okay, as you open the terminal, it looks like this. Can you see this? So right now I have logged in as a what user? Student. And what is the server name? Server B. And what is this dollar represents? I'm a normal user. You think it. So this is how exactly it goes on. Clear? So right now you need to log in like this. Okay. So just I'll also upload the recording and just go through the recording and just look into the configurations. Okay. So today we have set up the lab. Tomorrow again we are going to continue our training from wherever we have holded it, right? So tomorrow we are going to discuss something about directory structure and we'll go with detailing into the other concepts of Linux basics. Getting them? So this is all about the today's session. So I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to stop recording. If you have any questions, let me know.